Hello students, welcome to the lecture on information and cyber security. Myself Professor Tambe, and today we are going to discuss the point from the 6th unit, that is confidentiality and cyber forensic. In that, our today's point of discussion is cybercrime. What is meant by crime? What exactly crime means? Crime is this word come from the different fields. Means crime can be happen in the different fields, but here cyber crime means it is related to internet or computer field. Means your attack or the crime can be taken place by the criminal related to your computer or the information. Now these are the today's points for discussion. In that first introduction, as an introductory part, everywhere the internet is used. In the today's world, everywhere the internet is used very rapidly. Means there is no field is remains where the internet is not used. Like entertainment is there, then business, sports or education fields are there. But if you see, there are, as internet is having some positive things and some negative things are there. Means some advantages and some limitations are there. Means if some positive things are there, means every coin is having two sides. From the one side, some users are using internet for the legal purpose, and some users are using the internet for illegal purpose. Now, how to define the cybercrime? Cybercrime means it is a crime committed using a computer and the internet to steal data or information. Means this attack or this crime is related to computer, and the internet is used to steal your data or information, or it is illegal imports, and by using the some malicious programs like virus, worms, and different types of attacks are there. Now here, next point, that is cybercrime. What exactly cybercrime means? Cybercrime means, here one definition is given: crime is nothing but where the computer used as an object or subject of crime. Now here, if you go with the history, the first cybercrime was invented, or it is recorded. It is not invention, it is recorded in the year of 1820. Now here, if you see the cyber threat evolution, how is the evolution of the cyber threat? In that, if you see, the number of attacks are there which are performed, that is virus is there, then the Trojan horse is there, some DDoS attacks are there, then the phishing is there. So here in 1977, first attack is there by the viruses. Next in 1995 by the breaking the websites. In the 2000, it is a malicious or malicious code. In 2003-4, it is advanced worm or the Trojans. Next is in the 2005-6, that is identity theft, that is phishing. Phishing means it is you can say creating the fake websites or the clone websites. And last is in 2007-8, that is organized crime, data theft or DDoS or DOS attacks. We all know this type of attacks, we already discussed in the previous sessions. Now, categorization of cybercrimes. Cybercrime is categorized into two parts: computer as a target, and next is a computer as a weapon. Computer as a target means the attacker can, or the criminal can attack on your computer, and your data of on your computer is get formatted or deleted or corrupted. But computer as a weapon means your access of your computer can be taken by the hacker or the attacker by using the IP address of your PC, and they will monitor the activities on your computer, like your online transactions, then what activities can be performed by you. This is the computer as a weapon. Next is the types of cybercrime. All of you, I hope, hear this word, that is hacking, denial of service attack, then the virus dissemination, computer vandalism, cyber terrorism, and last is the software piracy. Now let me see one by one. Hacking means it is a illegal activity or illegal intrusion into your system or into your network, which comes into your system and hack your data or hack your system. Next is a denial of service attack. Here, denial of service attack means it is act by the criminal who floods the bandwidth of the victim's network. Means, suppose any server is having capacity of 100 requests per minute, but if more than 100 requests are sent to that server within a minute, then it get crashed or congestion is get occurred. Same thing or same type of attack can be performed by the attacker or the criminal. It is called as denial of service attack. Next point is virus dissemination. Virus dissemination means it is an attaching the some files with your email, with your any other software. If you open that particular file, then your that particular virus or worm attack on your system and corrupt your data. Then next is a computer vandalism. Vandalism means it is damaging or destroying the data instead of stealing. Means this type of attacker are mostly interested in destroying your data, not stealing or observing your data. They directly format your system or crash your data or corrupt your data or delete your data. Then next is a cyber terrorism. What is meant by cyber terrorism? Terrorism means, as you know, the terrorist attacks are there, but here the attacks are related to cyber attacks. Means this terrorism or this terrorist or this type of attackers are very technology savvy. Means their background is technical background. They can use the 512-bit encryption, which is impossible to decrypt. Then next point is there software piracy. What is meant by software piracy? Piracy means it is a duplication or doing the illegal copy of the original document. In a market, like movies, then the operating systems, and number of pirated copies are available. So to avoid using this software or the pirated copies of the softwares or anything, sorry. Now here types of cyber attacks are there by the percentage. Here various fields are mentioned. In the financial fraud, the percentage of cyber attack is the 11%. Then in the sabotage of data or network, the percentage is 17%. Then theft of proprietary information, it is 20%. Then system penetration from the outside, 25%. denial of service 27%, unauthorized access by insider 71%, then employee abuse of internet privilege 79%, and viruses 85%. Means if you see 85% attacks are done by using the viruses. Now next point is safety tips for cybercrime. Always use the internet always use the antivirus means as I suggest, use the net protector, then the quick kill is there. Also use the or insert the firewalls on your organization or in your network. Uninstall the unnecessary softwares which are not useful to your daily work or in your routine work. Also maintain the backup. Always maintain the backup of your data, either on your mail, either on your drive, either on your cloud. Okay. Then next, check the security settings of your system. Also stay anonymous. Then never give your full name or address to the strangers. Means some of the websites are asking for the enter your first name, last name, like the personal details, but you never share your personal details onto that websites. And learn more about the internet privacy. To overcome from this cybercrime, it is one type of crime is there, means there is some acts are there. So Indian government had generated some cyber sales or the cyber acts related to this, and everywhere in every police station there are cyber crime or the cyber sales are established by the Indian government to handle this type of issues related to cyber attacks. So this is all about the today's discussion, and in the next discussion we come with the new topic. Thank you very much.